Here is a problem where we're doing multiplying. We've got numbers and we have letters, and the letters have powers. Notice this one here is a to the power of 2, and this one here is a to the power of 3, and numbers in front. Right, when this one here, you need to recognize that there's nothing in between the 2 and the a squared, so there's nothing, so there is a multiply in there that we just don't write, and between the 4 and the a cubed is a multiply as well. So when we go to simplify this one, it makes sense to write it all out. So if we go 2 and then it's times by, and this is a squared, so it means a times a. This is times again here, so we times by 4, and it's a times a times a. And as I said, there's a times in there, which I'll pop back in there. Because this is a multiplying problem, we have all these things multiplied together. We can change the order and it doesn't affect the result. So we can write down here 2 times and the 4, put the numbers together, and then we write all the letters. So we've got a times a, which is the first ones, okay, and then we've got a times a times a, which is the last 3 over here, and they're all multiplied together, so these are all multiplied together. By simplifying, 2 times 4 gives us 8, okay, and we've still got times in there, and all of these ones here give us a to the power of 5, so we write a to the power of 5. The next step is to recognize that we don't write times in algebra, so we just write 8 a to the power of 5. This here is our result, which is simplified from this question. The next problem over here to the right is 5 times y cubed times 3 times y to the power of 4. Notice I said times in there, and there's a times in there as well. So in my head, I've got times all the way through this problem. So we've got 5 times y times y times y, which is y cubed, times by, and this is 3 times, and this one here means y multiplied by itself 4 times. Looking at this here, we have just the multiplying, and the order that we multiply doesn't affect the result, so we can put our numbers first. So our number is 5 times 3, so we write 5 times 3, and we're going to multiply that by all these y's. Now there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them, so we could write this as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 y's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that's the 7 there. And 5 times 3 is 15. Times by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's y to the power of 7. We don't write the times. To simplify this fully, we would write 15 y to the power of 7.